Welcome to another Clone Trooper Armour update. In this part, I'm prepping one of the thigh pieces ready for the spray putty. I'm doing some wet sanding on the remaining rough spots using 80 grit sanding sponge. Once the part was smooth enough, I moved on to using the spray putty. I made sure to try and coat the entire piece with the putty. Here's the part after one coat of the spray putty. I then added another coat of the spray putty to ensure good coverage. Be sure to like and follow for more updates.